there! Yeah, it's me, Monster. Nice to see you again. Come, let me show you around. This is our game table, some sort of. It looks very impressive. This way. Ah, this is a very comfy chair. I like it. Well, hey, robot. What are you doing on that chair? Oh, well, I'm just relaxing in the sunshine here on this comfy chair. Just look at what a beautiful day it is outside. Oh yeah, robot. I can see the beautiful sun out there. Looks super cool indeed. Hey boys, what you doing? Oh, hey dog. Robert and I are just talking. How've you do, dog? I'm doing fine, hanging out with my girlfriend. We went on a date last night, and it was a very good night. I liked it very much. What? You have a girlfriend? Of course, Monster. That's what I said. Really? You do have a girlfriend, right? Yeah. Oh, here she is. Look.
Dog! So nice to see you again.
Oh, Cat. I'm doing fine. How do you do?
I'm fine. Hanging out in our date.
Yeah, that's right. Guys. Why are you both two hanging together? You're a cat and he's a dog. Cats and dogs don't go together. They both chase each other, right? Yeah, that's right. Everybody knows that. Don't you know that, dog and cat? Yeah, of course, Monster. We know that.
But when I first met this dog, he looked so handsome and sweet. And looked like a nice boyfriend.
Okay, what the heck is going on here? What kind of a date is this? Did someone say date? Jeffrey! When they both find a boy and a girlfriend, they both go on dates, and when they get married, they get babies, and then they'll become a family. And that's for a date. Isn't that right? Yeah, quite right, Jeffrey. You are really right. Super quite. See? I told you what a date is all about. Very much. Well, how about we watch some of our videos that we did in the past? Oh boy, some of our videos is going to be very awesome here on YouTube. Let's watch it right now. Yeah, of course, dog. That's what we're about to do.
We have just arrived at Day Out with Thomas.
Hey, that's me! Of course it's you.
Thomas the Tank Engine is coming this way. Hello, Thomas! Thomas the Tank Engine is one of the greatest engines I've ever seen and heard in all my life. He has many of these coaches and a back diesel helping him. So let's go in after the train comes by and we'll see the greatest of all, Day Out with Thomas.
Hey look, there's the diesel. That's right, robot, I can see it. Going back. Or, let's just watch.
Station. is where kids at Day Out with Thomas get to play. They get to play Tony engines right here. And they get to play with wooden railway engines too. And they can also draw and play, and they can also do all sorts of things here. Is Grizzly Flats Railroad, the engine shed. It's not like Thomas's homely shed at Tidmouth at the island of Sodor. This one has different sorts of engines, and freight cars and coaches, even other stuff. That's why this place is called Grizzly Flats. Indian cigarette guy. How you doing, guy? It's
Oh, you really don't like that guy, Monster. Yeah, I know, dog. I really don't like him. He always goes everywhere we go.
This old engine here is named Chloe. I think this is the oldest engine here in Grizzly Flats.
That's a nice name. Yeah, it sure is. Hey, look! HL Scales! Wait. Was that an HL Scale Thomas on the other track? Yeah, it was. I just saw that. Oh, there it is again. Well, I think I saw it again. Yeah, I saw it too.
Now, a lot of these trains are known as HO scale engines. Thomas the Tank Engine is also HO. Not that one, but that one over there. Here he comes now.
Oh, look, there's another Thomas. An HO Scale Thomas. Yeah, that's right. It is.
It's Thomas. Hello, Thomas. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Day Out with Thomas. For such a little guy, he sure can't speak.
Just make a kind of joke. Yeah, great work, Monster.
Okay, we are at the station waiting for Thomas the Tank Engine to arrive with his coaches. Now, as we all know, Thomas the Tank Engine takes his passengers nice and smoothly, just like in his early days.
Hey, was that a kid? He looks excited. Yeah. How many coaches there are? There may be a lot. Wait, I think I heard Thomas. Yeah, here he comes. There he is! There's Thomas the Tank Engine.
To you too, Thomas.
Let's just say yee-hoo to Thomas. Oh look, we're now in the coach. I wish we were there. Of course, guys. Next time when I go to Day Out with Thomas, you're coming with me. Thanks, Monster. You're the best.
High in the sky.
Oh look, now you're singing Harold the Helicopter in the sky.
Well, he sounds great.
Why, thank you, Cat.
Harold the helicopter flies off the sky. Fast to the rescue, should help be replied. Harold the helicopter, brave is he. Courage is his name. So look to the sky. Reach to the sky, for Harold will be there. Out from the clouds, suddenly comes the hero. That sound. Harold the helicopter flies up the sky. Fast to the rescue, should help be required. Harold the helicopter, brave is he. Courage is his name. So look to the skies. Should danger arise, look to the skies, for Harold will be there.
Well, guys, what do you think? Dude, that was awesome! I really liked your vacation to Thomas.
I really like Thomas. He's my favorite #1 engine.
Well, that's it for this episode. We'll see you next time on the next episode. Goodbye.